is widely used for shrink packing all kinds of carton box, paper plate, garbage drawer, instant noodle cup, wallpaper drawer, single bottle, and so on. The machine, including automatic feeding conveyor, sealing machine, and shrink tuner. The whole system is controlled by 3 servo motors. Here is the feeding conveyor. It is made by stainless steel chain conveyor. It can ensure the product always put in right feeding position. The weight can be adjusted according to product size. The special designed film roller can ensure the film runs smoothly. The film is used single-layer POF film. Here is the film bag from China. The weight and height are adjustable. Only few minutes needed for changing different sizes products for packaging. Here we go to the cutting structure. First, bottom filling plate. This structure can ensure the filling line be very thin, and the special designed filling structure controls the weight film with few needed, only 3 cm. Here is the horizontal filling line. It is controlled by servo motors. Can make the machine working stable and faster. What most important is no product, no bag. Here is the operating panel. It's the temperature controller, and this is touch screen. All the settings can be set in this. Here is the tuner. It has the visible window for checking the shrink effect. And here is the setting of the tuner. The speed is adjustable to match with the sealing machine. This is the tuner cutter tube. It is made by stainless steel tube. We can also use mesh belt conveyor. Depends on product type. And here we check the shrink effect, the sealing line, the bottom sealing line.